the extreme urgency, I'm praying for leave to move this matter on 28th of July. Well, urgency is that on the month of January, I have obtained the permission for development by the development authority, and suddenly, just the last week, the development authority cancelled my permission, and entire progress of the work has been stopped, my lord.
You file it, it will come.
Otherwise,
File it, then you mention it.
in this, in course of 21st to 25th, your lordship will not be available.
That's right.
And for that reason, I am praying.
So you file it. You mention it on Monday. I'll hear it on Tuesday.
Kindly, my lord, extreme urgency, my lord. Kindly, my lord.
No, this is not urgency.
File. Lordship, kindly, I am praying to move the application on urgent basis. What is the ground? The pathetic ground. Employee of the Bhatpara municipality, permanent employee. As he was the supporter of opposition party of the state from 2022 till today, he was not endorsed with any duty, and not a single salary has been credited to the account.
That's all right.
With a 4-year little child, no electricity, my lord. I can produce.
File electricity, go before the other bench.
Permitted to mention one matter for upgradation.
Yes.
Item number 107.
Give your slip.
Lordship, may I be permitted to?
Leave be granted any day.
No, sir.
Lordship,
The urgency.
File it.
Lordship,
Lordship, the urgency is that the petitioner is a hospital entity. Now, Lordship,
Is a hospital?
entity. Now, all of a sudden, the development authority, despite clearing all my taxes, has levied a tax of 2.5 CR. And
Go before the tribunal. Why are you here?
there is no the Newtown Development Authority, and thereafter my trade license has been stopped. Like it has not been the hospital.
see
has
that.
come to a standstill.
Lordship,
Repeat.
I'm praying for urgent leave for filing this matter. Lordship, I am the Thika tenant of the property on behind my back. Lordship,
Go before
demolition.
the Thika tenancy.
Lordship, demolition order has been passed.
Go
and
before the Thika tenant.
demolition already started, Lordship.
Madam, go before the Thika tenant. No, nothing doing.
Lordship, Howrah Municipal Corporation has passed the order of demolition, Lordship.
Nothing doing right now today.
The pathetic situation I am saying, my lord.
Sir,
He is surviving with a 4-year son without electricity and without
you
food.
file it. So electricity, again, I'm making it very clear to you.
Electricity-
If you are talking about electricity, you go before the other court. All right? Go before the other court. You want your electricity to be restored, go before the other court.
No, not.
You know where the determination is.
Money, my lord. I don't have the
You
money,
know where the determination is.
my lord. No, I don't have the money, as the municipality is not paying me the salary.
File it, we'll see it next week.
Your Lordship, may I have your leave to mention one matter for extension of interim order?
Give your slip. Yes, call out the list. What is the correction? Who's there?
Yeah, correction.
Two 2013. Female disease. Necessary corrections be carried out. First page, second page, and correct guys, the fourth page, third page, second entry. You have done it. Yes.
Hello, in item 1, Mr.
Item 1.
Yes.
Yes.
For the correction.
Corrections. Yes.
I'm happy about the KMC.
Give your appearance.
Grateful, man.
For the respondent municipal corporation.
Give your appearance. What happened? It's not a holiday. Nobody is here.
My lord, my senior was here from 10 o'clock as he saw the modified determination
and
Yes.
discussed. He went away to Howrah Court for POSCO matter.
3 I am.
Please, my lord, not today. Requesting.
This is item 3, some correction. What is it?
No, not correction. That Santosh Pathak matter was there day
Lordship,
on
directed
50.
for filing affidavit so that how many cases have been filed.
Yes,
That's not correct. There's a confusion there. You can withdraw it.
we can withdraw it, but one thing can I?
Yes.
uh,
Give your senior's name.
Okay.
Learned
Ma-
counsel for the petitioner seeks to
Please.
withdraw the present petition. The same is dismissed and withdrawn.
Obliged, my lord.
Some confusion regarding. No, there's a confusion because determination.
Yes.
Please.
करेक्शन बताए पूर्णिमा विश्वास अच्छा ओ प्याली सेन गुप्ता शी सेड दोनों नाम डाल नाम नहीं फकीम प्याली सेन गुप्ता and Manisha Nath. Well, that's it. Both just the name, right? नाम ही है प्याली सेन गुप्ता and Manisha Nath for KMC. For KMC. हाँ 758.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
Order dated 1/7/2025, my lord. Para number 2, my lord.
Yes.
In the order sheet, it has been reflecting as, my lord, the private respondent number 8 on the premises number situated at holding number 15/2/2 Karadangar. That is my holding number, my lord. The illegal construction is being carried on the adjacent to my plot.
Give the holding number.
My lord, the holding number was not known to me at the time of filing that, and I have already mentioned in that my prior portion, my lord, page number 25, point number D, my lord, that raised over the land situated adjacent to land the property of my adjacent to my plot, my lord.
That is in the order sheet.
Now, order sheet, it has been mentioned that the inspection, the unauthorized construction situated at holding number on, that is my
Yes,
adjacent,
you
that
wanted
needs to be
unauthorized
adjacent.
construction being carried out adjacent. Being carried out adjacent to the holding to the plot of the private respondent number 8 on the premises situated at so and so. ठीक है ना? बस premises हो रहे हैं adjacent to करते हैं adjacent to ये out of हट जाएगा carried by भी हट जाएगा adjacent to the private adjacent to the plot भी डालता हूँ plot of private respondent number 8 on the premises situated.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Seven.
May it please the lordship, if that's their intent, the matter
Yes,
has
your
come up,
lordship,
my lord.
we have appeared on the last occasion and the matter has been disposed of, but our names are not there, your lordship.
Give your name.
Yes.
Arup.
কোথাও ফোন করেছি।
Grateful Lordship. তাই না? হ্যাঁ, আজকে কোনো অর্ডার করছো না? আজকে কোনো অর্ডার?
ঠিক, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
Grateful Lordship.
Careful, Lordship. হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
Well, I am for the petitioner. Well, this is that assigned matter, well, education matter that the state, my lord, preferred an SLP, and the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, was pleased to extend the benefit which was given to one Anirban Ghosh and Borun Ghosh. So there are two benefits. One is financial benefit. The second direction was that their case will be considered by the Principal Secretary in accordance with law. First part, my lord, the state has complied with. The second part, your lordship was pleased to direct Mr. Shopon Datta Lanet, senior advocate.
Datta is appearing for the state. I am praying for a short passover.
Passover won't be possible, then we'll have it on 29th. 29th.
Grateful, madam.
Not.
Grateful.
Just wait, just a minute, madam. He's saying that too many matters on 29th. We'll have it on 4th of August.
4th of August. Very well.
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
Yes.
I'm for the HMC led by Mr. Shondiban Banerjee, Lordship. I pray for short passover.
Lordship,
Yes. Yes, madam.
Lordship, interim order will be expired, Lordship, 20th July of 25, Lordship. Kindly extended this.
My lordship, private respondent is appearing for private respondent. My senior is appearing for online.
Where is he? Nobody is online. Where is Mr. Banerjee?
Mr. Banerjee is in the way. I pray for short passover, Lordship.
Passover won't be possible today.
Only let me fix it matters another date, Lordship.
I'm for the private respondent in this matter.
Interim order granted earlier is extended further till.
But I'm for the private respondent in this matter, my lord.
14th.
That matter, my lord, where, my lord,
Yes.
my lord, in a contempt proceeding, my lord, the grievances has already been, my lord, taken care of by my lord Justice Amrita Sinha, my lord.
Yes.
The order is with my lord.
Lordship.
Mr. Banerjee is not here.
My lord, kindly keeps it on Monday, my lord, because my lord, extending
Monday
the
is not
interim
possible,
order,
Lordship.
my lord, the grievances has already been redressed, my lord.
Not Monday, no.
Monday is,
Fix it another date, Lordship.
Lordship, kindly fix
Kindly-
it.
Lordship, can I
Wednesday.
extend it?
Keep it on 30th.
Interim order.
Not today, 30th of July.
Grateful, Lordship.
Interim order extend mat karo. Interim order is still when?
Expired on 20th July, Lordship. It's Sunday, Lordship.
Interim order is extended till for another till 31st of July.
Grateful, Lordship. Grateful.
30th July. 30th ठीक है ना?
Grateful, Lordship.
Returnable the debt figure. Grateful, Lordship.
Okay, my lord, I am appearing for the private respondent, my lord, 7 and 8. হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
না না ভুল হচ্ছে কোথায় ভুল করছে অন্য কোনো মামলা
10, my lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord.
I beg to for the concerned municipality.
My lord, that is the unauthorized construction, my lord, without having any sanction plan, my lord. Firstly, my lord, your petitioner moved before this honorable court, my lord, kindly turn to page 29, my lord.
Before my lord,
beginning of the petitioner, my lord. I am stated before your lordship, in the same cause of action, the private respondent also filed a writ petition before your lordship, and that writ petition is running your lordship's list as, my lord, item number 583 of the combined monthly list. That also unauthorized construction made by the petitioner. And his grievance is unauthorized, it's a joint property, and his claim is unauthorized civil suit is pending, unauthorized construction is made by the private respondent. Two brothers fighting each other. Well, that is that is the yeah. Well, your lord. দুটো একসঙ্গে হোক না। মানে, then one thing, my lord. My lord, I have to say something. My lord, the municipal appeal was
Dismissed.
municipal appeal is dismissed. Well, then I prepared a revisional application before this honorable court, and that also running in the list of Honorable Justice Hiromoy Bhattacharya in court number 6.
So there was no stay, my lord.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes.
I cannot,
Sir, I've told
Yes.
I cannot say that there is a
every
stay.
day the same warning.
But there is, I know, my lord, I mentioned before that bench, and that bench will that it will take in appropriate time, in according to serially. Well, it is the main construct of the matter. Well, if demolition is already acted upon, then my revisional application is.
I'm not concerned with your revisional application. Yes.
But the same thing is there. But difficulty is the means after the dismissal of the municipal, as my learned friend said it, but the revision application is pending. So if we take implementation of the order for which he has.
Sir, there is no stay.
Yes.
You can do whatever you want to.
Yes, kindly see the order, my lord.
Is there a stay?
No, it's
Then
pending over here.
Let it.
Didn't judge, sir, order.
But my
In the
Pending doesn't mean that you can't take
suppose-
action.
No, definitely your lordship is absolutely not.
Just
But difficulty would be, my lord, suppose it is demolished, and if he seeks an order for then, my lord, we have to again restore back the.
You can't restore back whatever is unauthorized. Sir, what kind of argument are you making?
But suppose he secures.
When do you take action?
My lord,
When do you take action? When there is no unauthorized, when there is no sanction plan.
no sanction plan in the.
Are you doubting your action?
No.
Then
But there's an order of status quo also in connection with the same property.
Yes, ma'am.
where is the order of status quo?
Yes,
They have pleaded in the petition also, my lord.
Yes.
Where is the order of status quo?
But they have pleaded in the petition, and it's recorded in the order also.
My lord, already recorded in the order, my lord, page 29, my lord, Justice Sinal order, my lord. ওখানে রেকর্ড করা আছে তো।
Page 35, middle portion, not first, second, third, fourth paragraph.
Pleadings নেওয়া আছে।
Fourth paragraph. There's a fight between the co-sharers.
Civil suit.
Why with the land?
Why কথা বললে হবে না? বলতে দাও, জজকে পড়তে দাও। East area আছে সুটটা।
তো সুট ফাইল করছি। হ্যাঁ?
তাহলে সুট দিয়ে গেলে হবে না তো।
সুট দিয়ে হবে না মানে?
শুটে হবে।
সুটে হবে। স্ট্যাটাস কো নিয়ে বসে আছি, সুটে হবে।
The court has already given you direction to take action.
Yes, ma'am, we are taking that. We're taking into consideration. But since
There is a doubt.
But doubt.
Are you hand in glove with the parties?
No, my lord,
Then
not at all. No, my lord. Since
the directions are clear.
But since they have preferred this divisional applications,
It doesn't matter.
My lord,
your lordship.
There's no stay.
my lord, kindly see, my lord.
And you don't need clarification from this court to take action, sir.
As your lordship clears.
My lord, kindly see, my lord. It further appears that order of demolition is an appealable one.
সেটা করেছি।
মানে appeal is
It's
preferred.
not pending.
Appeal is dismissed.
Dismiss more
revision-
ground to take action.
Well, revisional application is pending.
Take action. Where is the direction?
My
after this 12 weeks, Where is the order passed?
Demolition order, page 33, my lord.
My writ petition? But that also.
We will come to your writ petition also. Wait.
Yes.
Demolition order is at page 33.
Just tag these matters. Learned counsel for the petitioner states that the private respondent has also filed WPC number 5831 of 24.
583.
আপনারটা বলুন না।
List item.
583.
Sir, you don't even know your writ petition number.
I will give my.
Well, possibly 23501.
Possibly give me
Of 2023, subject to correction by my land.
Yes, this is right.
WPA
first
2350.
number which you gave me, sir, with such confidence was 5831.
Well, that is a monthly list item number.
Item number, my lord. It's a monthly list item number.
Just check that.
Item number
5831.
583.
Monthly list to that.
583.
31. How can it be 5831? How can it be 5831?
Item number in the monthly list 583. 583.
583.
তারা সবাই কথা বললে মুশকিল। সাথে ট্যাগ করবে তো। দেখে না, তুমিও দেখবে।
You should carry the writ petition number. You are not even prepared.
Cosmetic.
Sure, sir.
This is not job of this court. This is your job.
Yes. I know. Well, I am big to.
Has also filed writ petition number so and so. Let the same be tagged along with the present writ petition. List on. Give it on 5th August.
My lord, 10th of August.
What?
My lord has fixed upon date. 5th of August. Let a copy of the writ petition served upon the.
But then I will give. I will give.
Give him a copy.
Already some I will give.
Affidavit of service filed in court.
5th August. 5th August.
5th August, na? I am grateful to much.
কবে দিল?
5th August.
5th August. বললি তো?
5th August.
আরে আমি করে দিচ্ছি। তোরা তো আমাকেই সাপোর্ট করছিস। But I pay for the petitioner. Well, it's a very malad.
Item number 3 and 9. I was completely misjudged. I could not come.
Yes, that's what your junior was here.
Let it be 3.
Oh, 3 and 9. Oh, corrections. One was withdrawal.
I don't know why, but because I have already. That
Wrong
name. I am saying only that is Santosh. Mine.
You made a
Santosh,
mistake.
Santosh Rai, but I have already said them to find out the names. Find out that name. In any manner, my lord will withdraw. No, I am not understanding in a way. But
you missed the name. You got confused.
Santosh Rai, Santosh Pathak. That is was there. I was to submit here today.
Give your appearance in item 3. Sorry?
আমি কেসটা প্লেস করি না।
Give your appearance.
ঠিক আছে, দেখো।
3 and 9, my lord.
9, your junior was there.
9, my lord.
Your affidavit has not been filed, Mr. Banerjee.
I was to explain today. Already this coordinate bench has passed an order regarding another matter.
So we have kept it on the 30th.
Yes, I will explain. I will come. It has become infructuous after passing of the order by the coordinate bench, not by your lordships.
My lord, 11 minute I pay for the petitioner. My lord, my service. Well, it's a very, my lord, pathetic situation, my lord, I must say. Because, my lord, kindly comes to page 43 of my writ petition once. My lord, this was my complaint made to the Bali municipality, my lord, alleging unauthorized construction. Now, my lord, based.
For Bali, right?
Yes, my lord, led by Mr. Owen Banerjee.
And the municipality is with us. Absolutely with us. Now, my lord, based on my these two complaints, my lord, annexure P3 at page 45, the municipality, my lord, initiates a proceeding. Now, if your lordship
takes up annexure P3 at page 45.
Yes.
The my lord, municipality my lord, issues notice upon both the parties. A joint inspection is held. Now, if your lordship kindly comes to the order at the bottom, which is the order dated 20th of December 2022. Now, my lord, the municipality says a joint inspection was executed by the concerned sub-assistant engineer of this municipality on 16 December 2022 as per the schedule, and he submits his report to the undersigned today. It appears from inspection that the owners have constructed a garage measuring about such and such without sanction plan. So thereafter, my lord, the municipality issues a stop work notice. Now, my lord, thereafter,
yes,
kindly comes to the next page, the order dated 17th of January 2023. Now, my lord, the private respondents were evading the municipality all along. But on the date of joint inspection, first date, they locked their premises and went away. Now, kindly comes to the order dated 17th of January. It appears that the offenders made representation in reply to the show cause notice on 16 January 23 before the undersigned. Today, the offenders appears in the hearing and claims that the structure made by him is a temporary one and no prior approval from the municipal authority is required for construction of the same as he knows. Now, my lord, the municipality on 4th of May 2023, my lord, passes a final order. After careful consideration and observation of the submissions made by the complainant, as well as the offenders and the above noted joint inspection report, the undersigned concluded that this municipal authority shall not enter into decide any private dispute of the parties regarding right title and interest in respect of the aforesaid land, and the construction made beyond sanction plan stands unauthorized due to violation of the West Bengal Municipal Act 1993 committed by the offenders Manush Nayak and Shima Nayak, who are the private respondents. So the offenders are hereby directed to remove, demolish the unauthorized structure made at the premises in question at their own cost within 15 days from the date of receipt of this order and intimate the same to this office thereafter. Now, my lord, what the private respondent does is, he challenges this order before the competent civil court having jurisdiction by way of a municipal appeal. Now, my lord, if your lordship takes up page 59.
49 or 59?
59, my lord, 59. My lord, kindly comes to the bottom, paragraph number 8. Therefore, in view of the above discussions and considering the provisions of section 218 of the Municipal Act 1993 and the relevant rules, this court finds that the appellants have never denied the unauthorized construction at the time of hearing before the administrator Bali municipality, and rather one of the appellant Manush Nayak admitted the construction to be a temporary structure for which no permission is required. This court finds that the appellant got ample opportunity to place his case before the concerned authority, and there has been no violation of the principles of natural justice, not to speak of the relevant provisions of the West Bengal Municipal Act 93, read with the West Bengal Municipal Building Rules 2007 were violated by the administrator by the municipality in the proceeding before it on the issuance of the impugned demolition order dated 4th May 2023. Accordingly, the impugned demolition order dated 4th May 2023 sustains. In the result, the appeal fails. Thereafter, this order, there was a decree with respect to the municipal appeal. Now, kindly comes to page 67, annexure P6. The order passed by the competent civil court is brought to the notice of the municipality. Thereafter, next page, page 68. Now the municipality issues a reminder of demolition order that is on 17th February 2024. Apropos to the above, this is to inform you that the order under reference was issued to you by the undersigned with a direction to demolish the unauthorized structure garage made by you at premises number 10/1 Chakraborty Para Lane, Bali, Howrah, in violation of the West Bengal Municipal Act 1993, and subsequently a reminder of the same was also issued to you for demolition of the unauthorized structure immediately. Now it has been reported by the complainant that you did not obey the order of the undersigned till date. Hence, once again, you are hereby directed to demolish the unauthorized structure immediately within a period of 3 days, failing which this municipal authority will do the same without any further notice, and cost of demolition will be recovered to you as per the act. Now, my lord, this is a letter of 17th and 19th February 24. My lord, March 24, my client, who is the petitioner, my lord, intimates the Bali municipality that the order has not been implemented till date. The order of the passed by the competent civil court, my lord, there is no, my lord, appeal or a revision, my lord, preferred before this honorable court till date. My lord, Bali municipality has done nothing till date.
My lord, I am
This
appealing.
order, my lord, stands on its face. He has admitted that there was an unauthorized construction before the municipality, before the, my lord, competent civil court having jurisdiction. My lord, this order is not implemented till date.
My lord,
But I was praying for implementation.
my lord, municipality letter, my lord, dated, my lord, 17th February 2024 has been complied, my lord. My lord, has been complied, and my lord, advocate for the municipality also, my lord, submitted on the last occasion that, my lord, order has been complied with photographs, my lord.
But compliance is, they have only removed the asbestos shade. The structure still stands as on today.
My lord, that is.
My lord, that was directed to be demolished in its entirety. My lord, nothing done. Nothing done. Reporter copy. Thank you.
And my lord, against the order passed by, my lord, appeal.
File your report, take action.
My lord,
File your report, take action. I don't want even asbestos sheet to be there.
no, my lord, that is, my lord, entirely demolished, my lord.
No, it is
Still
not
said-
entirely demolished.
That's not your task.
Yeah, my lord,
Alright?
that is, my lord,
That is a task for the municipality to do.
And my lord,
You have made your statement.
and my lord, another submission is, my lord, against the order, my lord, passed by, my lord, statutory appeal. My lord, there is a civil revision pending before this honorable court. My lord, that is, my lord, CO number 1618 of 2024. That is my submission, my lord, and my another submission, my lord, order has been complied, my lord.
All right, take down.
Photograph টা আছে
The petitioner in the present writ petition is aggrieved by the inaction of the respondent in not implementing its own demolition order dated 4/5/2023 issued by the administrator, Baliganj
Bali municipality.
Bali municipality, the demolition of the illegal and unauthorized construction in the form of a garage at premises number 10/1/A, Chakrabarti Para Lane, PO and PS Bali, district. This is district Havra, right?
Howrah.
District Havra. It is the case of the petitioner that he is the lawful owner of the premises situated at premises.
Well, it's my adjacent premises. My premises number is
10.
But my premises is
10/1.
10/1.
Yes. So listen to the order, sir.
Lordship,
Before you jump in.
I'm so sorry, man.
क्या लिखा है? Number 10, premises number 10, Chakrabarti Para Lane, PO and PS Bali, District Havra, full stop. The respondent number 7 and 8 are the recorded owners of the adjoining premises bearing premises number 10/1/A, Chakrabarti Para Lane, PO and PS Bali, District Havra, full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is that the respondent number 7 and 8 have raised an unauthorized construction in the form of a garage over the common passage, which is jointly owned and used by both the petitioner and the said respondents, full stop. counsel for the petitioner states that after several complaints made before the concerned municipality, a joint inspection was conducted on 16/12/2022. Joint inspection was conducted on 16/12/2022 and a work stop notice dated 20/12/2022 under section under section 221 of the West Bengal Municipal Act 1993 was issued. Full stop. Thereafter, the Bali municipality passed the demolition order dated 4/5/2023, the respondent passed the demolition order directing the passed the demolition order directing demolition, removal/demolition of the unauthorized structure made at the premises in question by the respondent, private respondent number 7 and 8, within 15 days of the receipt of the order, and to intimate the municipality of such action. Full stop. The respondent preferred the private respondent number 7 and 8 preferred appeal number
3 of 2023.
Appeal number 3 of 2023 before the Court of Civil Judge, Junior Division, First Court, Howrah. Full stop. The said appeal was dismissed by order dated. Order is?
But it's a judgment and
22nd,
decree dated.
the appeal was dismissed by judgment dated 22nd of December 2023. Full stop. No. Full stop. The petitioner, even after the said, the petitioner made several representations to the municipality for execution of the demolition order dated 4/5/2023. Full stop. However, despite lapse of considerable period, the unauthorized construction continues to exist, and no steps have been taken by the Bali municipality in compliance of its own demolition order dated 4/5/2023. Full stop. Learned counsel for the private respondent states that there is no unauthorized construction at the site and that he has challenged the order. He has preferred a civil revision against the
1618 of
civil revision number.
Your number 1618 of 2024.
Against the order dated 22nd of December 2023. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondent, Bali municipality, seeks and is granted how much time?
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks time to file her action taken report. List on.
Lordship, kindly consider that I have submitted that compliance.
Your compliance, I'm not concerned about your compliance. I'm concerned about Bali municipality's compliance.
Yes.
I have recorded your submission. You say there is no unauthorized construction.
Yes, my lord. That is, my lord, I have also, my lord, submitted my data, my lord.
Sir, your letter, I'm not taking it. You want to file your report, file your report. Whatever you have to say, file your report. Private respondent seeks and is granted 2 weeks time to file his report by way of an affidavit. Same report by way of an affidavit of the action taken by the Bali municipality. Exception to the same, if any, within 1 week thereafter. List after 4 weeks. August 25th.
August. Wait.
Now give it back. Affidavit of service is taken under. Seeks and is granted time to file his report. Affidavit in opposition. Affidavit in opposition within 2 weeks. Reply to the same within 1 week and report by the respondent. Minister. Exception. You file your affidavit in opposition in 2 weeks. It's all your. Yes.
12 is my petition.
Yes.
A very short matter. Kindly just straight away comes to page 53.
Who's the answering respondent state? Sir,
No.
who's the answering respondent?
Principal Secretary, the estate manager out there. Well, state is not a party. I did not meet because kindly just comes to the facts of the case. If my lord so desires, I'll immediately serve him a copy. But at page 53, Office of the Estate Manager Kollani writes to me, with reference to the above, you are directed to deposit rupees 1,52,880 as requisite permission fee for using 191082 square feet of residential building for non-residential purpose at Kollani in terms of the order date. I was supposed on 10th of May, they told me to pay 1,52,800. But that kindly comes to the next page, 54.
Yes.
Page 53, they tell me to do deposit. Kindly comes to page 54, I deposit the amount.
Yes.
Page 54, I deposit the amount. Page 55 is the gifts receipt. That is, I've deposited. Now they say that I have deposited in the page 56, they say I have deposited in the wrong head.
For transfer of leasehold rights.
Yes, they said I have deposited in the wrong head. Page 57, I again deposit 152,880. I just wanted refund of that. They say on 10th of October 2020. I paid first. It was in the, they say they acknowledge receipt. Subsequently, they say that it's in the wrong head. Again, I pay the same amount. So I say kindly refund me my first. Well, it kindly goes to my letter at page 58. Request for return back of depositing this amount which was wrongly credited in your account. As per direction, I am acknowledging here with photocopy. This is what I gave my account.
What were you doing since 22 for 3 years?
22 kindly comes to the letters. Page 58.
Page 58, yes.
12th of October. Initially, I went there verbally. I said then 12th.
3 years it has taken you to come here.
No. I came here in 24. This letter for refund I have written on 12th of October 2022.
Yes.
I'm going there, coming. Then I affirm this writ petition sometime in the year. Well, it kindly comes to.
Yes, give a copy to him.
Kindly fix the date by next week, my lord.
Give a copy. Take instruction, give back his money if that is due. Take instruction, come with the check.
But without my note. But I'll give him a copy. Just
give him a copy.
Kindly fix the date by next week, my lord.
All right, not today. We'll have it on 30th. 30th.
Could it be a bit prior to that?
I am not here. How will you have it?
30th. In the meantime, I'll serve. একটা দাদার নাম অ্যাড্রেস জেনে নে জেনে সার্ভ করি
30th.
অর্ডার তো হলো না এফিডেভিট সার্ভিস সেদিনে দিয়ে দিস
Take instruction. You can't keep people's money like this. Refund the money with interest.
I appeal in a statement. I am for the petitioner. In this matter, Mr. Rajiv Ghosh, advocate on record, is appearing. He is suffering now a serious injury and hemorrhage due to bike accident. And today he is not able to appear in this court. I am praying for not today on his behalf, my lord.
Not today. Can he come tomorrow? Next week.
Maybe Wednesday.
Serious hemorrhage, serious injury. Wednesday.
One week time, one week accommodation, my lord.
proxy counsel so and so appears and states that the main arguing counsel has suffered an accident. He prays for a short adjournment. Let this matter be listed on 6th August.
Okay.
I'm grateful.
Give your appearance.
14, my lord. My lord, on behalf of the petitioner, my lord, my junior friend is just received the changed brief, my lord. Some documents we have to give, my lord. That is why supplementary affidavit, my lord. I am trying to
Supplementary affidavit only if you convince the court what supplementary affidavit you're talking about.
This is for unauthorized construction, my lord.
Yes.
Done by the private respondent and my lord, the municipality, all the person we have served, and my lord,
Which is the address where the unauthorized construction is taking place?
P1 and P2, my lord, page P1 16 and 17. That is
Mother of
also
the
in
petitioner.
language.
Petitioner states that the mother of the petitioners.
16 and 17 of
Recorded owner's plot number. So, the petitioner states that said Bepani Kanti died.
illegal unauthorized construction. Paragraph 8 and paragraph 9, man. Of the writ petition, page
Paragraph 7.
paragraph 4 also. 7. Nothing was, my lord, annexed in this writ petition. Only RTI we have prayed for one RTI also. We have that has not been annexed. No answer was given by the municipal authority.
Actually, there was no construction. There was no order.
Who are you?
Private respondent.
Yes, showing that this these are not annexed in my writ petition. That is why, my lord, I am praying. This is the construction
And the
report of the
petitioner's age was 76.
Just a minute, sir.
report. Yes.
Private respondents.
Things are in vernacular language, my lord. I have to convert this in English.
No such allegation.
That is why I am praying for supplementary affidavit.
ওটা কি কনস্ট্রাকশনটা কিসের বলুন
Unauthorized construction of building.
কোনটা
এই দুটো খুব দরকার আগে petitionটা তো প্লেস করি
building 47 years old building
No, at least from the picture it is not showing
and
that.
purchase 79.
Making commissioner's report.
You have not even stated, madam, the property where the construction is going on, adjacent to your property. Though there are disputes between the property, what is it? You are the.
That, my lord, I said.
Nothing is here. You withdraw this, file a better petition.
Yes, my lord, it is written in representations, my lord. But
He filed civil suit. That was dismissed.
there,
Just a minute, sir.
my lord,
Two
there
people can't.
There one report has been.
I have seen it, madam. I have seen it. There are civil suits. You have gone before the executive magistrate.
Nothing was annexed, my lord.
Nothing is here. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks to withdraw the present writ petition to file a better writ petition with better particulars. Full stop.
Kindly.
Liberty is granted.
Yes, my lord.
Liberty is granted
Liberty
to file a better writ petition.
liberty.
Better particulars in accordance.
Liberty দিয়েছেন তো?
Liberty দিয়েছে
Yes, my lord.
প্রেস রিপ্রেজেন্ট করা ভালো কথা করবে
সাপ্লিমেন্টারি করে দেবে না না লিবার্টি দিলেন তো লিবার্টি ভাই লিবার্টি গেলেন
নাম দিয়েছি তো
লিবার্টি বাস গিভ লিবার্টি দিয়েছেন আপনাদের টেস্ট করে
My lord, item number 15, I'm appearing for the Bali municipality led by Mr. Owen Banerjee. My lord, due to some personal difficulty, he could not reach. My lord, I'm praying for not today, my lord.
Not today. We'll have it on.
If it's suggested, you file for it order, no?
Because one thing, Millard, I'm filing my affidavit
And a supplementary.
Don't file it, sir. Not today.
on that date,
5th August.
5th of August.
Wait.
Wait.
Okay.
Huh?
I am for the petition, my lord. On page 23 is the representation of the unmarried daughter for getting family pension as well as gratuity of his deceased father, my lord. And this is the that representation should be considered, my lord. This is my prayer.
And submitting to your lordship, my lord, that petition is coming to this court after a long 30 years. Right? My lord, I just a question is, my lord, illogically see one thing, paragraph 3 and 4. Right? At that point of they are very vigilant, and my lord, his son, after the death of the father, the elder son, my lord, got the appointment on commissioner job. Then the elder brother died. Then the sister-in-law got the appointment on commissioner job. And some amount was received, but details have not been given. Only I am submitting to your lordship because I find that the mother of the deceased, well, after long 30 years,
Page 19.
he came to this honorable court. Then the court passed an order for consideration of his representation. That I'm not going against that, my lord. Now that lady, as I find after immediate after that for consideration, he died. She died. Therefore, my lord, that application of the order has become infructuous because the court directed to hear her. And therefore, my lord, that whatever the order was passed by this court, my lord, on the last occasion, a similar order will be passed in the case of my.
Do you have that order?
Page 19, my lord. His mother has got one order, but unfortunately she died immediately after getting order. Nothing is. An unmarried daughter has been made representation, my lord.
The order may be passed in case
They have to dispose of the representation, my lord, by giving their order, whether I am entitled or not.
Where is your representation?
On the page 27 P5, my lord. Her representation on page 24, my lord. Page 23 P4. P5 demanding justice was there.
Unfortunate that the mother also died.
Yes,
the mother also died after about 15 days. Immediate after passing of the order, 15 days died. Therefore, I am submitting whatever the order was passed by this court, he considered
Mr.
in
Ghosh,
respect of his representation.
look at this. People not getting pension also.
Because of pension, possibly, I am not submitting because the authorities consider at that point of time, contributed provident fund was there. Therefore, everyone did not opt for the pension after the introduction of the death cum retirement benefit regulation. Therefore, they have to consider. I don't know because if the contributing provident fund scheme your lordship knows, my lord, then the employers and employees amount in the provident fund to be is required to be disbursed. Well, I cannot exactly say because that is the reason I'm submitting for 30 years because the entire other things, his records and all other things, I do not know what is the position in the official records right now.
The petitioner in the present writ petition is aggrieved by the inaction of the respondent in not inaction of the respondent in not granting the family pension and other retiral dues of her late father to her, being the only dependent unmarried daughter.
Yes.
Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that her father was an employee of the respondent municipality, respondent corporation, and passed away on 3/7, right?
Until 1994.
3/7/1994, comma, leaving behind his leaving 3/7 leaving behind her mother,
First July na mara gache.
elder brother bracket में since deceased, and younger brother. Full stop.
3/7.
Upon his demise, comma, upon the demise of her father, comma, his elder brother, his elder son was appointed on compassionate grounds with the respondent municipality. Full stop. Following his death, comma, his wife was also granted compassionate appointment. Full stop. The petitioner's mother received only a sum of rupees 58,000 towards retiral dues, comma, however, comma, no family pension was sanctioned in her favor. Full stop. Consequently, writ WPA number 6077 of 2024 was filed, which was disposed of by order dated 2/12/2024, whereby this court directed the respondent corporation to consider and decide her representation, decide the representation submitted by the mother of the petitioner. Full stop. However, no order was passed in compliance with the said direction. Full stop. Subsequently, the petitioner's mother passed away on 20th December 2024. Full stop. After her demise, comma, the petitioner, comma, being an unmarried and dependent daughter of the deceased employee, comma, submitted an application dated 7/2/2025.
Yes, Maharaj.
7/2/2025 for submitted a representation dated 7/2/2025 for grant of family pension. Full stop. Despite lapse of considerable time, comma, no decision has been taken on the said representation till date. Learned counsel for the respondent corporation, Mr. Alok Ghosh, submits that he is ready and willing to consider petitioner's representation dated 7/2/2025. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner states that he shall be satisfied if the same is considered within a time-bound manner. Full stop. In view thereof, the present writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the respondent to consider and decide petitioner's representation dated 7/2/2025 within a period of, Mr. Ghosh,
Leadership may be pleased to give some more time because I do not know the record to be searched out.
8 weeks, within a period of 8 weeks, comma, in accordance with law, comma, after affording an opportunity of personal hearing to the petitioner by way of a speaking order. With the above direction, the present writ petition is disposed of. No affidavits have been exchanged.
Great. But if it says get to record one.
Affidavit of service taken on.
My lord, I appeal for the petitioner.
I'm for the respondent number 3.
Yes.
My lord, this is that matter where I am assailing.
Serve the
I have caused a paper publication, my lord. My affidavit of service, may I be permitted to hand it up? We have published, my lord, in 2 newspapers.
Can you just mark it here in the vernacular one and in the other?
My lord, it's published even in the vernacular paper.
No, just mark it.
I will do that, my lord.
I will not be able to read it, so just mark it with a pencil.
My lord, this is the first page. It's here. It's marked. Page 5.
Okay.
And then on page 6, the zoomed version is there. Page 5, my lord, at the bottom,
Yes.
the 4th advertisement from left. And then the bigger version is on the 6th page.
This wouldn't. Yeah. Yes.
My lord, my prayers, it's at page 10.
You are appearing for the corporate. Who's appearing? You are appearing. Yes. Yes. Page 10.
Page 10, my lord. Prayer A, my lord, I seek quashing of the reply letter that revised birth certificate cannot be.
Which is at page?
Which is at page, my lord, P10, page 48. And
yes, can you read that?
The reply, my lord. Apropos your letter under reference about the subject mentioned above, this is to inform you that section 15 of the Registration of Birth and Death Act 1969 deals with correction or cancellation of any entry in the register, and such correction and or cancellation can be done per procedure enumerated under Rule 12 of the West Bengal Registration of Birth and Death
All right.
State Rules 2000.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, but neither section 15 nor Rule 12 empowers the registrar to change a surname of any child on account of so and so, my lord. So change of surname of Otri Chatterjee in birth certificate is inadmissible.
Yes. So that's the only prayer you have, right?
And my lord, prayer B, my lord. Since my application is already before the municipality, application is at P947, my lord, page 47. Prayer B, my lord, seeks that they issue a fresh birth certificate, revised birth certificate.
Yes, sir.
Section 15.
Do you have that Justice Sinha's judgment?
Yes, my lord.
Just hand over that.
That judgment also, my lord. Let's say
Section
section 15 does not.
Okay. Yes.
Correction can only be done as per section 15 on subject to correction of lordship.
Yes.
Be done. If there is an erroneous entry at the time of issuance of the certificate, but subsequent change in the marital status does not authorize the corporation, the authority, to change the entries in the birth certificate. That is the only law that is standing in the way. That is the only law. When this no, and so clear,
It's erroneous in form of something.
how the change can be done, but it has to be done in consider of section 15 only.
Yes.
So authority, legislating authority doesn't have the power to change the birth certificate, which has been correctly issued at the time of birth of the child. Such substance already recorded in the judgment passed by the
Justice Sinha's judgment you have seen. No? We'll just follow that. Take down.
My lord, my senior would like to address your lordship.
I am with that. Justice Sinha's judgment. That's error in the form of yes. I bow down. Since he was doing it, I was not interrogating against.
The petitioner, a minor, represented through her mother and natural guardian, has preferred the present writ petition, being aggrieved by the communication dated 5/5/2025, whereby her application dated 17/2/2025, seeking change of her name from Chatterjee, inverted commas, to Bhattacharya, inverted comma, was rejected by the respondent municipality. Full stop. The case of the petitioner is that she was born on 14/4/2011 out of the wedlock between Mr. Prasenjit Chatterjee and Miss Kasturi Chatterjee. Full stop. A birth certificate was issued by the municipality. Full stop. The petitioner is presently a student of class 8th, full stop. Following matrimonial discord between her parents, she began residing with her mother at her maternal grandparents' residence. Full stop. The marriage between the parties, between her parents, were subsequently dissolved by a decree of divorce dated 13/5/2015. Full stop. Post-divorce, both the petitioner and her mother adopted the surname Bhattacharya in place of Chatterjee. Full stop. Consequently, in certain documents, the petitioner's surname is recorded as Bhattacharya, whereas in others, it continues to appear as Chatterjee. Full stop. Petitioner states that desiring not to retain her father's surname, not to retain her father's surname, the petitioner submitted an application dated 17/2/2025 before the respondent, this corporation or municipality? What is this? Before the corporation, seeking correction of her surname in the birth certificate, However, the said application was rejected by the respondent corporation by communication dated 5/5/2025, citing the reason that the change of surname in the birth certificate is not permissible in light of the parents' consent, right? What is the reason? In light of the change of marital status of the parents. Full stop. The learned counsel for the since the petitioner, since the petitioner is a minor girl, aged 14, and that her father was initially not impleaded as a party to the present proceeding, this court directed the petitioner to implead her father as a party to the present proceedings. Full stop. Hence, Mr. Prasenjit Chatterjee, the father of the petitioner, was made a party. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner has handed over a copy of the publication which has been carried out in 2 newspapers
Times of India and
whereby the service has been effected upon the respondent father through publication in vernacular as well as in English.
Times of India and
In Times of India as well as
Ashoma, the local vernacular.
जो भी Ashoma, full stop. The service on the respondent father in view of the such publication, this court deems service to be completed on respondent father, full stop. Learned counsel for the respondent in this corporation states that submits that as per section 15 of the Registration of Births and Deaths Act 1969 and upon the guidelines issued by the Ministry, Government of India, Rule 12,
West Bengal.
guidelines issued on
State of West Bengal.
all right, guidelines issued by the West Bengal Registration of Births and Deaths State Rules 2000 dated 30th/9/2000 in accordance with Rule 12. The said rectification cannot be carried out. Full stop.
Unless there is a wrong entry at the time of dismissal.
Cannot be carried out. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the section 15 is not an absolute bar and that the court, the coordinate bench of this court, in a similarly situated case, directed for correction of the birth certificate, full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner relies on WPA number 88 of 2023, full stop. This court has heard the arguments advanced by the parties and has examined the documents on record, full stop. Upon a careful perusal of the records, comma, it transpires that the petitioner, comma, is a minor girl aged 14 years and is currently studying in class 7th, full stop.
Class 9.
Class 9, currently studying in class 9, comma, and has been residing with her mother since birth, full stop. The marriage between her biological parents were dissolved by a decree of decree of divorce passed by the competent court on 13/5/2015, full stop. Following the said dissolution, comma, both the petitioner and her mother, in order to align their identities and in exercise of their personal liberty, comma, adopted the surname, inverted comma, same Bhattacharya in place of Chatterjee, full stop. It is submitted that pursuant to this change, the petitioner's surname has already been updated in various official documents such as Aadhaar card and
passport
and Aadhaar card, comma, passport and other documents, full stop. However, comma, in certain, comma, other records, comma, including her school record and her birth certificate, comma, her earlier name Chatterjee continues to appear, comma, leading to inconsistent and potential administrative difficulties, full stop. It is the specific grievance of the petitioner that she does not wish to retain or be identified by the surname of her biological father, comma, owing to personal and emotional reasons, full stop. The petitioner seeks her identity be recorded consistently in all documents with the surname Bhattacharya, comma, which she has been using ever since the decree of divorce, comma, and which is also her mother's surname, with whom she is permanently residing. Full stop. The petitioner asserts that this change is not only necessary for consistency in records, but also for safeguarding her emotional well-being and sense of identity. Full stop. This court has, in similar circumstances, this court, comma, in similar circumstances, comma, considered and allowed the prayer for change of surname of a minor, full stop, in WPA number 88 of 2023, comma, by order dated 29/2/2024, comma, the Honorable Court, the coordinate bench of this Honorable Court,
29th February,
29th February, the coordinate bench of this Honorable Court permitted the change of surname of a minor from that of her biological father to her stepfather in view of the best interest and welfare of the child. The relevant extracts from the said decision are, ये इसमें डाल दो इसमें. टिक टू टिक करो यहाँ से पेज, पूरा जजमेंट कोट करो. ये यहाँ से डालो पेज 2. It appears that the child is permanently residing. यहाँ से करो. I've heard and यहाँ से. I've heard and have given my thoughtful consideration. Page 2 से तो पूरा कॉपी करके तो डालो पेज 5. I think this judgment will suffice. The under this decision underscores the principle that the identity of a child, comma, including her name and surname, is an integral part of her personal development and autonomy. Full stop. Courts have consistently held that when the change in name or surname does not adversely affect any legal or statutory right of a third party, comma, and is sought in furtherance of the child's best interest, comma, such change ought to be allowed. Full stop. In the light of the above facts and the applicable legal position, comma, and having regard to the welfare of the minor child, comma, which is of paramount consideration, comma, this court is of the view that the prayer of the petitioner deserves to be allowed. Full stop. Accordingly, comma, the respondent corporation is directed to issue a fresh birth certificate in respect of the petitioner by substituting her name from Chatterjee to Bhattacharya and by recording her name in conformity with the identity adopted post the decree of divorce. Full stop. The said action shall be completed by the respondent corporation positively within a period of 4 weeks. Within a period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Full stop. Anything else?
Only one thing on the opening paragraph, Your Lordship indicated an application for change of name, it will be change of surname.
Change of surname.
And the class will be class 9. The opening paragraph is.
Change of surname. Your petition, change of surname kar dena wahan, name se. Change of surname and class 9.
और ये वाला ऑर्डर से तुम्हारा वो भी काम होता
एक और लाइन, एक और पैराग्राफ डाल दो. It is, comma, however, comma, made evidently clear that that such change of surname and the consequential removal of the name and surname of the biological father from the birth certificate and other official records shall not, comma, in any manner whatsoever, comma, affect the legal status of the biological father as her natural guardian under any law, comma, nor shall it affect or extinguish the petitioner's legitimate rights, if any, including her succession and inheritance rights to the property of her biological father. Full stop. Such rights shall continue to remain preserved and unaffected by this order, comma, in accordance with law. Full stop. With the above direction, the presented petition is disposed of. इसको यहाँ से copy कर लेना. ठीक है. I've just followed that the judgment.
Will my lord's pleasure that the order in terms of prayer be, because in the birth certificate my mother's name, I just
Already I've given a direction for that. Where's the question of prayer be? All your prayers are allowed.
Okay. I'll be very candid. I mean, when we moved the writ petition, the order of Justice Sinha was not there. On the previous occasion, my lordship was strict on us. We got this order of Justice Sinha.
ये सेम मेरा कॉपी है, मैं रखा हुआ.
नाम क्या दिया भाई? पहले ऑर्डर में नाम क्या था? देखा भाई? ये गलत नहीं.
Enjoy the rain, Mr. Ghosh. The
Lordship,
rest of the day.
would you kindly, may I mention a matter?
Not at this time, madam. Not at this time.
In the second half, my lord.
To an intervention application to which you had passed your lordship had passed an order dated 16 July 2025, allowing me to take out my goods from the premises.
Yes.
Your lordship, you had granted 48 hours to take out the goods, but KMC has only granted us an effective 10 hours to take out the goods from 17th and 18th July from 12:30 to 5:30 p.m. only.
Move an application for that, madam. I can't help you in a mentioning this.
Much
But
obliged.
who was the lawyer for KMC? Mr. Banerjee?
Yes, lordship.
Where's Mr. Banerjee?
Lordship,
Who's the law?
I'm mentioning upon notice, your lordship.
Where's Mr. Banerjee? Where's Mr. Banerjee? Any junior for Mr. Banerjee here? Mr. Sandeepan Banerjee is junior, any one of them? Yes, madam, where are you? Sandeepan Banerjee. You please go and tell him the order which has been passed. Tell the corporation to allow them 48 hours in correction of this order.
Your lordship,
Follow the orders. KMC matter.
KMC matter.
Who had appeared? Mr. Ghosh, you had appeared. Who had appeared? Whose name is there for KMC, madam?
Mr. Bishwajit Mukherjee.
Any junior for Mr. Mukherjee?
Your lordship,
You appear with Mr. Mukherjee sometimes, madam. Please tell Mr. Mukherjee. Who appears with Mr. Mukherjee? You don't appear. Who appears with him? I have seen some.
Your lordship, Mr. Gurdas Mitra and Mr. Gulnaz Qureshi.
Where's Mr. Mitra? You appear with Mr. Mitra, madam. I'm talking to you, Ms. Sarkar, right? What is your name? Anandya Das. You appear with Mr. Mitra? No. You inform Mr. Mukherjee.
Yes, your lordship.
Inform Mr. Mukherjee, the court has directed 48 hours. You please tell him he'll take care of it.
Yes, your
If
lordship.
not, move an application.
Much obliged, your lordship. Very grateful.